Lucky!
No, no. Huh, you gotta make me earn it.
Well, I'm lucky to be here.
Hello everyone, I'm Buck Luckie.
Thank you so much and welcome to the show. This is new to me. Never been a host before except maybe to a tick or two.
Well, how do you like the studio? Yeah, you're easy. I mean, look around. You're sitting in an old barn. I know, it's not much now, but we plan to fix it up a bit. Maybe add some stuff here and there. Ambiance, I think they call it. Or clutter, depending on who you talk to. But you have to admit the place does feel homey, or earthy, or dungy, or maybe that's just the smell. I'm sure it'll wear off. What about that band? And now you're just mocking me. Right over there is where they should be. They haven't really found a band yet, so if you know someone... Of course, I'm just messing with you.
Actually, we do have a band in mind. They're called Iron Bacon.
Yeah, right? We discovered them in a little desert town called Asphalt. Put them on a bus a few days ago. I guess the bus had some problems. Now they're stuck in some other little desert town called Pothole until the bus gets fixed. So it's been a lot of trouble getting them here, but I'm sure once they do, it'll be $50 well spent. So how do you like my clothes? Thanks, bud. Yeah, that's my manager, Bud. Yeah, you'll get your $20. Now, I realize my outfit is sort of, let's say, casual. But that's what makes me comfortable, and when I'm comfortable, you get the best show. So, no coat, no tie. I'll keep the shoes, and we'll keep the t-shirt as a billboard for shameless product endorsement. So how many of you own a cat? So Cat just showed up here yesterday, or maybe she has always been here, an indigenous feline, as they say. Not sure where she is at the moment. Seems to magically appear and disappear like Mr. Mistopheles. We decided to let her hang around the studio and maybe help out on the show. I wanted to call her Violin because she seems kind of high-strung. But in the end, we settled on Fangdangle, or Fang for short. Not that it really matters because she doesn't respond to anything. Ah, there you are. Hey, Fang, come on out and give a bow. Or don't. Okay, maybe we'll see you later. Anyway, we have a great show for you tonight. have that always funny and personable stand-up comic, Bob the Bull Bovine.
And also the band Mixed Nuts is here.
So stick around, and we'll be right back after this.